The more you use your hands, the more memorable your speech is. Okay, as long as you're not overdo it. Hello, Boss Dreamer. I'm Katy from katydbusinesscoaching.com. I'm here to help you grow your business, speak with confidence, and build the brand that people will follow. People often ask me what they should do with their hands when they make the speech. Let me start with things that you should not do with your hands when you speak in public. First of all, do not hold your hands in your pockets. The audience will not take you seriously. Do not cross them on your chest like a boss. This way you're actually closing up and you show that you're not so confident about what you're saying. Do not wave them also too far from your body, because the audience, especially the one that is very nearby you, will feel intimidated and afraid. This one I think needs a bit more explanation. Do you know about the personal space? If you stand far away from the audience, that's a good place to use your wide hand gestures. The audience will not feel that you attack them. But if you're coming to them on the 1 meter, 1.5 meter, arm's length distance, when you're so close, you are in their private zone. And those big gestures will not be perceived very well. Let me explain you how it is applied on the stage or in the training room. Take a look on this picture. This is the stage edge or the first line of the tables in the training room. When you are near to this edge, it feels like this is their private zone. Here, big gestures, no. They should be small, slow, and gentle. But when you're in the back, by the screen, by the whiteboard, you can use your hands and wave them as much as you can. This way, you show your enthusiasm and you will be able to show the details of your presentation better. What do you really do with your hands when you speak in public and you make a presentation? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to know. Now, what you should do with your hands when you speak? Use them naturally. Let them flow. Let them be. Let them talk when you talk and listen when the audience asks questions. On top of it, I really want to remind you about my favorite 3P rule. Rule of public speaking. Practice, practice, practice your speech, your presentation, and your magical hand gestures to every bit of the piece of your speech, to every word that you're saying. And if you want to improve your gestures and have your gestures align to what you're gonna say and how you're gonna say it and make them actually be an addition to all your speech, drop me an email and we're gonna set a coaching call. If you are new to this channel, I would love you to subscribe and hit the bell. This way we're gonna stay in touch.